I will show you how to use a butterfly knife. This is the safety part and butterfly knife. That's all. I'll show you how to use them. This is the part that is where's the blade at. This side. And the other side was not with the blade. Like this. Like this. You see this? Is with the safety part. This side is where the blade's at. It's all basic stuff. It's that simple. Okay guys. Yeah. Just tell me in the comments that do you want to do more butterfly knife or Cerebral with BMX. I never did it because I never have a chance. Been like probably 3 or 4 months long or more. Yeah, that's why. Sorry about that. Probably do it later on with my friend. Okay guys, have a good butterfly knife time, I guess. Oh well, who cares? Later. Be safe.